Joining us now on SSPTV News, we have Chef Jake. And Jake was a guest on The Girls, and he is a very young chef. Jake, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
I love all of your posts. I see your posts, and your mom must be happy that you do all the cooking. I want to know who cleans up.
Oh, she cleans up.
You do the cooking, mom cleans up. Is that how it goes in your house?
Yes.
Well, I love it. We wanted to touch base with you. Remind everyone how old you are.
I am now 11 years old.
You're 11 years old, and I believe you have three brothers, right?
I gotta figure this out. Riley, Brad, Ross, and Ryder. I have 4 brothers.
You have 4 brothers, so you're one of 5 boys. So God bless mom in that house. And you have been cooking since how old?
Since I was 3 years old.
3 years old. So we wanted to touch base with you because you have been cooking through the pandemic. I know that you are home learning, so you're home learning from the computer. So how has that been?
It's been good. It's just hard with all like the technical stuff because sometimes our mics don't work, but other than that, it's been good.
So have you been keeping yourself busy with cooking and learning new recipes?
I've been very busy. I've been learning and I've been getting better at chopping and all that kind of stuff.
Fill in our audience about what you've been doing, some of these great recipes, and maybe some things that people can make through Lent.
So some things that you can make through Lent is you can make, because you can't eat meat, so you can make anything with fish. You can make pastas. You can have pizza. I remember we made homemade pizza one day. It was really good. And then you can make some shrimp tacos. That's one of my favorite dishes to make. And you can also make fish tacos or any kind of fish dish.
Very nice. What have you been making? Like, what's your favorite thing to do during the pandemic? Have you been just, like you said, have you gotten new knives? Have you learned new techniques?
So this Christmas, I got brand new knives from my Aunt Vanessa. They're the sharpest things I've ever had. I thought I was going to cut myself the first day I got them. And I've been learning a ton of new techniques with her. Like, I learned how to chop faster, and I've been working a little more faster than what I used to.
So you said that you like to make fish tacos. What are some other dishes that you like to make?
I like to make like all kinds of dishes because I don't specialty in one kind of cuisine. I do all of them. But I like to make spanakoppitas. I made that a couple times. I also like to make really good steaks, pastas, anything like that.
How do you come up with your recipes?
So I come up with my recipes with cooking. We normally just throw a ton of stuff together and hopefully it turns out good. Or sometimes I get magazines in the month every single month. I get magazines in the mail every single month, and they have recipes in them, and we try it if we like them. We put our own twist to it and all that kind of stuff.
That sounds fun. So how many hours a day do you think you spend in the kitchen?
Depends, because if I have school and we're doing a ton of stuff, maybe 1 to 2 for dinner. But if I have a lot of time on my hands, I can make myself a big lunch and then a big dinner.
So what do you hope to do this summer? Do you have any goals that you want to reach for your cooking experiences?
This summer, I'd like to try to go fishing again and catch my own fish and make my own dinner all from scratch. And I just want to learn how to do stuff better and get better in the kitchen.
So you have an Instagram page, I know. What other social media are you on where people could find you?
Right now, I'm only on Instagram because we haven't set anything up yet, but hopefully I'm trying to get a YouTube channel soon.
Very good. And what is your Instagram?
My Instagram is chef_JVG.
All right. So people can look you up there. And I know one day you will be a very popular chef with your own restaurant, right?
Yes.
And what would you call that restaurant?
I haven't figured that out yet.
Oh my God, you have like everything figured out. I figured by now you would know what you were naming your restaurant.
Oh no, I can't figure that kind of stuff out.
Enjoy your day, and I know you'll be in the kitchen, and we will be keeping up to date with you throughout the summer.
All right.